These viral AI hydraulic press shorts are pulling in millions of views right now, and the best part is that they are easy to create. In this video, I'll show you the full workflow step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to make your first video today. Look at this channel. It gained hundreds of millions of views from these shorts. This short alone got more than 500 million views. This is strong evidence that this niche is in high demand. So let's start explaining how to create them. Open the document in the description and copy the prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and send. What comes back is a set of strong topic ideas, each one a different object or scenario built around the hydraulic press format. Once you've identified the topic that excites you most, type its number back to ChatGPT. It will then generate two things, an image prompt and a scene prompt. These two prompts are your complete production package. Everything you need to build the visual from scratch. Copy the image prompt and open Google Labs Flow. Select the Nano Banana model, set the aspect ratio to vertical, set outputs to 4, paste the prompt, and generate. Having 4 image options matters. AI image generation has natural variance, and 4 results gives you the ability to select the strongest composition rather than being locked into a single output. Look for the image with the most visual tension. The object should feel substantial, the press should feel heavy, and the composition should create a sense of inevitability about what's coming. Download the image you choose, return to ChatGPT, and copy the scene prompt. Go back to Google Labs Flow, switch to video generation mode, upload your image into the start field, change outputs to 1, paste the scene prompt, and send. The result speaks for itself. The combination of a strong starting image and a precise scene prompt produces footage that looks genuinely cinematic. The press moves with real weight. The object responds with real physicality, and the entire clip carries the visual quality that makes this niche perform at the level it does. From here, the process is straightforward repetition. Run the same workflow, new topic, new image prompt, new scene prompt, new clip, until you've built a library of videos. Combine more than one clip from them in each video. For titles, study the top performing videos on the hydraulic press channel and model yours on what's already working. The titles in this niche are direct and specific. They name the object and imply the outcome without giving it away entirely. That tension between knowing and not knowing is what gets the tap. Mark each video as AI-generated content. YouTube's disclosure policy requires it, and the label carries no performance penalty in this niche. The audience for hydraulic press content cares about the visual payoff, not the production method. If you want more viral faceless AI niches like this, watch the playlist on your screen right now.